Well, the best of the best food all in one place, and you get to taste each and every belly-pleasing bite. That's the idea of Top Chef of the Culinary Coast. And get this, it benefits local seniors. And here with more on this popular event, this is Chef Peter Scholey. He's with Touch of Italy, along with John Wolfley. He is a board director with Meals on Wheels. Thank you both for being here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. Even though we are in the kitchen, we're not cooking quite yet because we want to get all the 411 on the event. So this benefits Meals on Wheels?
It benefits Meals on Wheels Lewis Rehoboth, and we serve the local zip codes of Rehoboth and Lewis and Milton, some of Milton.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it's a volunteer-run organization for the most part, right?
We have 4 staff and we have 125 volunteers.
So yeah, a majority of volunteers. Yeah. So what's the need like in that area?
Well, the need has changed pretty drastically in the last few years. We've gone from 13 routes to 19 routes every day. And typically when we move into a new community with one client, the word gets out, and in a week or two we'll have 7 or 8 in that community.
Right, right. And it's more about just food. I mean, it's people checking up on
Well,
people.
our drivers have a very strict routine they follow. They don't leave a meal without seeing the client, without talking to the client. Nothing's ever left at the door, and that's for safety's sake of the client.
Sure, sure. All right, so you have the Top Chef of Culinary Coast. You guys have done this before. It's a really great fundraiser, isn't it?
This is our 10th year of doing this event, and it's been extremely successful. We have a lot of fun, and it's just a good party.
Yeah, we all
really
like a good party. Now, Peter, you've participated year after year.
Yeah, last year was the first year for us at Touch of Italy to participate there. We took second place.
Yeah.
So that was kind of cool for our first time being there. Hopefully this year we'll knock them dead and have a home run and take first place back.
Now, what's this like among the chefs? I mean, is it really like competitive?
No,
and
I think it's more about the spirit of, more for the Meals on Wheels and having fun and raising money for a good
I'll
cause.
answer that question for you. We had a day that one of the chefs ran out of the ingredient, the main ingredient, and they really were doing well. One of the other chefs lent them food.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
to get
everyone
through.
helps each other, and it's a nice event.
But in the end, everybody gets to taste the food, and you get to help Meals on Wheels.
100%.
So that has to be wonderful. All right, give us the details of when it is.
It's next Wednesday. It starts at 6 o'clock. It's at Ivy. You can go to mealsonwheels-lr.org for tickets, and it's a fun evening.
Yeah. All right. Well, Mike's actually going to come back in because we can't make things in the kitchen without Mike.
We're gonna make Mike work.
We're gonna put Mike to work. And what are we making?
Ricotta, gnocchi, little pillows.
Okay.
So ricotta cheese, a little bit of pecorino, and I'll get more detail when we start cooking here.
All
but
right.
Simple, easy, and fun dish to make.
John, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you for having us.
We'll be right back. We are back in the DelmarvaLife kitchen with Chef Peter Scholey from Touch of Italy, and Mike is back here because we are going to put you to work.
I'm so excited.
You are excited.
I'm excited for this dish.
Yeah,
As soon as I saw what it was, I was like, yes, please.
Okay,
Yes,
so
please.
you said it really, I thought it was ricotta.
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 You know, everyone says everything a little
Yeah,
different,
yeah.
so.
Okay, so
So we're gonna make ricotta gnocchi. I call them little pillows because they're gonna be shaped like little pillows. So we're gonna dump some pecorino cheese in a bowl.
I got the flour.
I've got the flour, Mike. You can do whatever you want.
Okay, I'll do whatever. I'll do
Salt and
whatever.
pepper next, Mike. Okay, thanks. Good. Get the cheese.
He's a good listener, isn't
Right.
he?
Then we'll give that a quick stir, and then we're gonna get this out of the way.
That's the dry ingredients.
Correct. That's all.
Okay.
That's it. Very simple. And
Yep.
then the ricotta cheese, which I patted dry a little bit yesterday,
And then 2 egg yolks.
this morning. Yep. And then 3 egg yolks.
3
one
egg
just
yolks.
broke apart.
Gotcha.
And then we're gonna mix that together.
Mix it all together.
Mix
okay.
that all together.
So I can do it by hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And is this something that you have on the menu at the
It is
restaurant?
not.
Okay.
But we're working on creating some special dishes and everything. So I've been
cool.
practicing a few things. I thought this would be good to bring on TV
Yeah,
and to do
yeah.
for Meals on Wheels.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
You know we do have gloves, Mike.
I do.
We just watch it. You can't really feel. For me, I need to feel it with
The
the gloves.
texture and
yes,
everything?
correct.
Yeah.
It helps
That
you
makes
figure
sense.
out. Yeah.
Put that back.
But you know,
yeah, I'll take that.
wash your hands every 5 seconds. and-
Exactly, exactly.
And Mike looks like he's pretty clean cut
Mike
guy,
is
so
Mike's pretty handy in the kitchen.
I try to be.
he looks like it. He's doing good.
Yeah.
Now we can keep mixing that, or I
Okay.
can
You want to get?
I mean, I'm already
You're
in
done
deep, so
almost, right?
yeah,
How's it feel?
it feels a
Not
little
too wet?
Not too wet. It's getting firmer.
Yeah.
So you have boiling water here, and you're going to put that in there.
Correct. When Mike's done mixing, we're going to roll out a little bit. We're going to put a little flour.
It's not coming together as fast as I'd like it to. That's the only thing.
That's okay. We can roll some out.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, we did. He did bring some just in case.
I did, just in case.
Just in
'cause
case,
it takes a little
Mike.
bit sometimes.
It's because you put the flour in first.
Yeah, probably.
It's not that I didn't trust Mike.
Yeah, no,
It's that
no.
I just wanted to be
Things
safe.
happen, just
Right.
to be safe. Yeah.
So I brought some dough here.
There
All
it
we
is.
do is break a piece off,
Okay.
roll the finished dough out, a little bit of flour down on the cutting board
Look at that.
Nice.
into about that
And then?
shape, and then we just
Just cut them off.
break them off.
That's
Ooh.
going to be good.
And we
That's
can
easy.
Make one more so
Wait.
everyone gets a taste,
Absolutely.
and then I'll start doing the sauce. How's that coming together, Mike? Good.
It's starting to. We're starting to get it firmer.
So you're looking forward to Wednesday night?
I can't wait. It's going to be a fun time.
Yeah.
And it's for a good cause, too.
Absolutely.
We love, helping out the neighborhood and doing
Yeah.
whatever we can.
All right, let's go ahead and
Let's get them in there, right?
get them in there.
They're not going to take long at all.
All right. All right, and then we're going to start on the sauce?
Yep. If you want, you can dump we'll get a little bit of garlic in here
Okay.
first, 'cause, of course,
Come on.
I know you like your garlic.
I love garlic.
And then some sauce, if you want to dump a little bit of that in
Just a
there.
little bit.
Yep, we're going to make a quick flush
Woo,
sauce.
hello.
Watch out for that. You can dump a little bit more in if you want.
Okay.
And we'll turn this down.
Okay.
Which Mike told me today I had to go to the low button and turn it down.
We had a whole conversation
Right.
It was a
about
whole thing.
It was.
which way negative is low and plus is high.
I learned that down goes down and up goes
Yep.
up.
Up
It was
goes
very
down.
educating.
It
helps, it
I
helps.
thank you again for that.
How's
It helped
this?
me out.
Is this pretty good?
Yeah, how's it feel? Oh, that's perfect.
Okay.
there
good.
you go.
Same
Hard work
thing, right?
pays off.
Okay.
Look.
Oh yeah. Huh. Okay.
Right?
All right, let's
Hey,
get moving on with this.
Nobody tell the missus I know how to do this, because she's gonna want it tonight for dinner.
A little bit of cream because we're making a blush sauce.
Okay.
And then if you want to tear a couple pieces of basil out and just rip it up a little bit,
Yep. And that's that.
and that's that.
How many of these can you make in, like, you get an order for it?
How many will we put in order?
Yeah.
It depends.
Yeah.
I got to weigh them out, figure the process out still, so we're still starting to figure all that. Maybe 12, 15.
Yeah.
They're real delicate.
Yeah.
They melt in your mouth. It's
Should I stir this?
Yeah, stir that up.
Okay.
These guys are going pretty good here. Another 30 seconds.
30 seconds, okay. Give us the details again about the Top Chef of the Culinary Coast. It's next Wednesday,
Wednesday the 17th. I think it starts at 6 o'clock,
6
correct?
o'clock.
Yeah.
At dinner time. I'm going to put a little more of this in here.
Here, you hold that. I got backup.
Okay, you got a backup
That one's
one?
to keep your hands.
We got a
clean.
backup for the backup.
Thanks.
Backup for the backup.
Okay. Do we need to grab a plate? You got a plate there?
And then we're just going to pull these little guys out.
That cheese. Anything with cheese in it. I'm going to hand you a fork now.
Thank you.
Just so that you're prepared.
Thank
They're
you.
real delicate. And they're made like that on purpose.
This side is not on,
That side is not on.
just in case people were wondering.
Yeah, I'm going to
Mike's
turn it
gonna
all
start
off
throwing
there.
stuff on places that it's not supposed to be. That looks fantastic.
It really does.
Get a little bit of that in there. We're going to set this back here. And then we're going to finish her off a little more pecorino.
More cheese.
More cheese,
More cheese is good.
always.
A little
There's never
parsley.
enough.
Clean up the plate.
Clean up the plate.
I'll
And
let you
you
know.
All
guys
right, Mike, you go first.
Okay.
get in there.
Oh, that's so soft.
Is it super hot?
Almost.
You'll wait. Give it a second because it's just all going to come together. And
Oh my goodness, the cheese and the
I don't-
dough.
I don't have words, friends. I don't have words for this. This is incredible.
so
It
it's
is
good,
incredible. It is incredible.
I guess. And it's so easy. How long did that take? 2 minutes?
Like
3
maybe
minutes?
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Sauce was easy. It's plain and easy.
8
and
minutes
that's
and you have a whole meal.
Italian food. Simple, easy, delicious.
And delicious.
Food. And that's
Peter.
what it's all about.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Always good to
Mike,
have you in the
always a
DelmarvaLife
pleasure.
kitchen.
Appreciate you.
We'll be right back.
Thank you, guys.